Hello guys, today in this video we will review the Extreme Adz Pro. And we will also see how this product is and what will be greater side of this product. For every product there are only two aspects always, one is positive and another one is negative side. Let's start the video from features and benefits of the product. So the first sentence is written here is, introducing Extreme Adz 3D Meta Style Creator. And point-and-click 3D ad maker will be included in the course. You can choose from 100 single quote S templates, backgrounds and music. It produces professional 3D style videos within minutes and this is great, you will learn making third ads with meta style. So the first key point is, choose from 100 single quote S of existing templates or upload your own. And here are the functions to do with this. The second point is add 3D engaging animation in one simple click. And you can create unlimited videos with Extreme Adz Pro. This is what it is profitable by. And the third point is choose background music from 100,000 single quote S of royalty-free soundtracks. I have never seen this huge amount of access in anywhere. And this one I'm gonna play for few seconds, because of copyright matter. And the fourth point is create super realistic ads by adjusting profile pic and social likes. This is also great. Wanna play for little time. And now fifth point is full drag and drop text editor, emoji and damp hashtags. You can add emojis and hashtags with drag and drop feature. And the sixth point is, you can clone and edit videos with one click. Great! And this is the difference between old ads and Extreme Adz. They also said, there will be more time spent in game to create these third styles or ads, which manually takes hours and even days also. And they have also said that if you are going to hire on any freelancing website for this work, then they will charge you $4,000 or even more. So this was a clear review of this software, and is so easy to use. You can also see how happy the users are and they have shocking experience. And so, this is the all about Extreme Adz. And product is 100% genuine and legit and helpful to boost your earning growth. And in order to buy this product you can see that there are two packages available, whichever you are affordable and want you can purchase. And one important thing to share with you, if you purchase the product from the link in the description box, I am going to provide not one but two bonuses. And once you have purchased the product, you can contact me on my Instagram ID given also in the description box. Then share me the screenshot of the purchase message and then I will provide you the bonuses. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.